Okay, well then that makes me say bring on the snow.
Okay.
You know,
I was there in Central California visiting my son in Lemoore in September, and it was an absolute, that's in the central San Joaquin Valley, absolute complete dust bowl.
Yeah.
It was amazing. I mean, there was just dust floating in the sky. The wind picks up at all, and all of a sudden the dust gets kicked up. So that's good news. All right, guys, well, let's take a look at this time-lapse video. Notice it looks like it's daytime, doesn't it? But you see the city of Sun Valley down there in the background? It's illuminated. So this actually occurred during pre-dawn hours. As I put this into motion, this is the moonlight. Now watch what happens as the sun begins to come up. I'll step out of the way. Isn't that gorgeous? Very, very pretty. Perfect blue sky scenario across all of our ski resorts here in Idaho right now. So with the high pressure that's bearing down on top of us, this is the way the pattern is going to be. If you got plans on going skiing tomorrow, Saturday, or Sunday, it should be blue skies, but it could be a little bit on the chilly side. As far as the ski report is concerned, let's take a look. Bogus Basin has had 8 inches of new snow, 66 inches at the summit. Brundage has had 3 inches of new snow. It was 61 inches at the summit. Sun Valley not reporting any new snow in the last 24 hours because of all the clear skies, but look at that summit, 95 inches. Tamarack reporting 52 inches. Palmerell, 103 inches of snow in the southeastern part of the state. And want to mention right here, Soldier Mountain is going to be opening tomorrow. They're still digging out from all of the heavy snow that they have had there. And here's what your weather headlines are looking like. Night and morning, low clouds and fog are going to be a distinct possibility with this pattern that we're seeing right now around parts of the Treasure Valley. Should give way to plenty of sunshine in the afternoon. It is going to continue to turn colder by about 5 or 6 degrees for daytime highs and about 10 degrees for overnight lows. It will stay dry through the weekend, and then storms are going to return next week, probably around Tuesday into Wednesday. So with this stormy pattern that we're seeing, you can see there goes the system off to the east. Here's a system that's affecting the southwestern and Great Basin right now. And then here comes another storm. But for right now, it is a little area of high pressure that's keeping us on the dry side. Storms will continue for the desert southwest, but notice how the jet stream just kind of goes up and over the top of Idaho right now. So cold and dry through Sunday with high temperatures right around the low to the mid-20s. Overnight lows could be approaching the single digits by Saturday and Sunday. Now watch what happens with the jet stream as I advance this and take you into next week. Notice the jet stream starts dipping back down into the Great Basin. That means the stormy pattern is going to return. So guaranteed, in fact, the models are showing that commencing Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to be seeing waves of snow very similar to what we had. So if you have any digging out to do, I would take the opportunity that you have this weekend, get out there and do it, because it is going to change again around the 1st through the middle of next week. All right, regional forecast. High temperature is going to be in the mid-20s. Overnight lows tonight. Low teens, some areas single digits, but we will see some morning fog. Otherwise, sunny to partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. Emmett at about 20 degrees with a low tonight of 8 degrees. And in the Long Valley, high temperatures tomorrow right around 20 with sub-zero readings expected tonight. But it's going to be blue skies. It's going to be gorgeous up there in those mountains. So here's the 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley. No concerns other than very cold temperatures, icy roads that are glazing over at night and the morning through Sunday. Here comes the storms. Right now it looks like a rain-snow mix on Tuesday and Wednesday with straight-up snow that is possible on Thursday. The mountains are going to be seeing beautiful conditions here through Sunday. Increasing clouds on Monday with snow to return and be likely from the middle through the end of next week.
It's good for the mountains.
Good for the mountains, too much for the valley.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Roland.